Welcome to Keyzens. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to install your Microsoft Office 365. An internet connection is required to download the latest version, but once installed, you can use it offline. First, go to login.microsoftonline.com and sign in using the username and password provided in your Keyzens order email. Copy and paste the username, click Next, then copy and paste the password and sign in. You will be prompted to change your password, so please create a new one and store it securely, as lost or forgotten passwords are not covered under warranty and cannot be reissued. After logging in, you will see the dashboard. Look for apps, usually located in the lower left or upper corner, depending on the layout. Then click All Apps. Close any pop-up message if it appears. Next, click Install Apps at the top right and select Microsoft 365 Apps. You will be redirected to the My Account dashboard. Although you can click Install Office immediately, we recommend selecting View Apps and Devices so you can choose your preferred language and version. The recommended settings are English and 64-bit. Once confirmed, click Install Office to start the download. After downloading, open the installer and follow the installation process. It may take some time as it downloads and updates all Office applications. When finished, you will see a message saying, "You're all set," then click Close. To complete activation, open Microsoft Word. If it shows your personal Microsoft account, click Change. Then sign in using the username from your Keyzens email and the new password you created. When prompted whether to sign in to all apps, websites, and services on this device, we recommend selecting No, this app only, so it only applies to Microsoft Office apps. Congratulations, your Microsoft Office 365 is now successfully installed and activated. And you can optionally switch back to your personal Microsoft account from the top menu while Office continues to work normally.